Hello, my name is Panayiotis and I come from Cyprus. I will be here with you until the end of August. I am 23 years old. I am studying to be a teacher in Cyprus. One of my favorite things to do during my free time is cooking and painting. My dream is to become a lawyer in order to support children that suffer from family violence. Today I will make for you one traditional Cypriot food, bourgouri.
What ingredients do we need to make bourgouri?
We need tomato juice, salt, pasta, olive oil, bourgouri, black pepper, cinnamon, and 1 glass of water.
And how much time do we need to make bourgouri?
We need 20 minutes.
Is there anything else we can eat with bourgouri?
You can combine bourgouri with salad, meat, or yogurt. And this is how you make bourgouri.